In this video, I want to talk about adding and subtracting complex numbers. So complex numbers are any number of that includes an I, and an I is equal to the square root of -1. This is also called the imaginary number because we know that in the real number system, we can't take the square root of -1. So basically, we have outside of the real number system, we have I, which is equal to the square root of -1. The good news is that, complex numbers are of the form a plus bi. So for example, 3 plus 4i is an imaginary number. The good news is that when we're adding and subtracting them, we can just pretend like the I is an x, and otherwise we can just ignore it. Or we can ignore the fact that it's equal to the square root of -1 because that's kind of weird. So for example, if we took 3 plus 4i plus -2 plus 6i, if we wanted to add those together, we just remember that just as if this was an x, we just need to combine like terms. So 3 minus 2, these are the like terms, so that's 1. And then 4i plus 6i is 10i, so 1 plus 10i. So we just need to remember to combine like terms and don't combine anything that's not a like term. So the answer here would just be 1 plus 10i. Let's go ahead and try one more example of subtracting. So we have 6 minus 2i minus 3 minus 4i. Okay, so for subtracting, the first thing I like to do is just distribute into the parentheses. So I'm going to change this into a plus, this into a minus, and this into a plus. So now we can just add them. So 6 and -3 is just 3, and then -2i and positive 4i is just plus 2i, and that would be our final answer. So adding and subtracting complex numbers is easy. Just treat the I like any other variable and add when there's like terms and don't combine when there's not like terms, and that's all you need to do.